Wow, this airport is so big! I can't believe I'm finally going to America. I've got my passport and my ticket ready. Now I just need to find where to go. Excuse me, could you point me toward the check-in counter?
Sure, go straight, then turn left. You will see counters 20 to 25.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful flight. Good morning. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. And are you traveling for business or pleasure today?
Pleasure! It's actually my very first time visiting the US.
Oh, how exciting! Will you be checking any bags today?
Just this one suitcase.
Please put your bag on the scale. Great, the weight is fine.
Thank you so much.
Your gate is 22 and boarding starts in about 40 minutes.
Thank you very much for your help. Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
Not at all. Go right ahead.
Thanks. Are you waiting for the flight to America as well?
I am, heading home after a long vacation. Is it your first time crossing the Atlantic?
It is! I'm a little nervous the long flight, but mostly just thrilled to finally see the city center.
You're gonna love it. I'm just gonna get a coffee before we board. Want anything?
Oh, that's incredibly kind of you, but I think I'll stick to water for now. Thank you, though.
Flight 405 with service to New York is now ready for boarding at gate 22. Well, that's us. Ready for the big adventure?
Absolutely. Let's do this!
Whew, this is a massive aircraft, isn't it?
It really is. Hi there, I'm Lucy. Is this a long journey for you too?
Yes, it's actually my first solo holiday. I'm a bit nervous. I understand. But you can do it. Hi, folks. Care for any complimentary drinks or snacks?
I'll take the chicken meal and a water, please. Just an apple juice for me, thank you.
Here you go. Enjoy the flight.
Wow, the sky looks absolutely magical from up here.
Flight crew, please prepare the cabin for arrival. Ladies and gentlemen, we have begun our descending path.
Oh, wow! The clouds are clearing! I can actually see the skyscrapers down there. Ah, there it is! Not harmed, totally safe. Excuse me, is this where I line up for a registered cab?
Yes, ma'am, right here. Next car in line is yours. Where can we take you today?
To the Downtown Plaza Hotel, please?
Throw your luggage right in the back and hop on in. I'll get you downtown in no time. Welcome to the Downtown Plaza. Checking in?
Yes, please. I have a reservation under the name Annie Watson.
Perfect, I see you right here in our system. Here is the key card for room 503. The elevators are just past the fountain on your left.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your hospitality.
Wow, what a view! The room is incredible, and I am officially ready to explore this amazing city.